Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Greg and this is Puddle Walkers Outdoors. Alright guys, it is the middle of September here in the Midwest, and that means the fall bite is on. We are currently in a competition with the RLDL Topwater Fall Bash, where we're competing against 17 other YouTubers. It's a week-long tournament. It's the 5 best black bass in inches total takes the prize. I'm just happy to be a part of this competition. Last year I took second. I stayed strictly on largemouth, which is kind of out of pocket for me. So this year I'm staying true to myself, and I'm just gonna stay with the creeks and the smallmouth, and let's see what happens, guys. Ooh. There we go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Good start. Good start. Come on, buddy. There we go. There we go. There we go. Boom. There we go, guys. First one. I bet he's about 15 inches. It's not a bad bass. Let's get him some drink. Here, let me get a measure on him. Oh, he about came right out of my hands. He's got some power to him. He's 16 and a quarter. We can get him to 16. Guys, we're moving along. I think we are in for a treat today. It's 116 and a half. I could not get a very good measurement on him, so if it only comes out 16 and a quarter, it comes out 16 and a quarter. I don't care. When I could actually lay the fish on there flat and straight, he went 16 and a half. And then 3 real nice blow-ups right there. So let's get moving. I am in like the first 100 yards of this creek. So let's see what we get into today, guys. I think we're gonna find a big smallmouth in here today, or at least find a bunch of smallmouth. All right, guys, stay tuned. Got that one. He feels really good. He feels really good. Not sure how big he is, but he's coming this way. I think it's another 16. Holy shit. Do I got my first double? Do I got my first double? Oh, he came off right there, guys. I had 2 of them on. That's why he felt so heavy. That was awesome. That was stinking awesome. All right, let's get a measure on this guy right here. Had 2 of them, guys, and the other one came off. That was badass. Had the double, guys. I'm just gonna let this one here go. He's only like, I don't know, 14. He's not even 14. He's like maybe 12 inches. Absolutely beautiful, but I had both of them fish. That was awesome. That was stinking awesome. See you later, bro. They hit that thing as soon as it hit the water. Oh, I should have reached for my net and tried to get both of them in. Ah, that wasn't little. He took that hook in a heartbeat. God dang it, man. Losing way too many fish today. He's real good. He's good. He's real good. Stay down, dude. I got that one. Stay down, dude. Here we go. That's another good one. Hang on, bro. I'll get you measured and back in the water. He just shook himself all over in the sand. Come on, buddy. Get you clean here. All right, guys, there's another 15 to add to the day. Let's let this guy go. See if we can find a couple 17s or 18s before we get out of here. All right, guys, stay tuned. Didn't catch one more good fish, guys, to measure. What was I thinking? We're back at the bridge now. I'm gonna have to go upstream a little bit. I got it. That's a good one. That's a good one. No! Oh, God! Dang! That was a good fish. All right, guys, that is the best from day one. Now on to day two, where I bring my boys out with me. Let's try to finish this off, guys, with 5 fish. I can't believe I lost that big one. Man, I was sitting at 4 fish, and that would have been my 5th, and that would have been a great kicker. So let's see if we can go out here, get 5 fish, and call some of the smaller fish out. All right, guys, stay tuned. There we go. It's a good fish.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, he's about 13, 14.
Fight.
Oh yeah, dude, you got that constant current. Oh, he may be bigger than I thought. Oh no, he's not. There we go. You know what? That's probably the one I had doubled up on yesterday. It looks like about the same size one. Someone's caught him recently too. Look at the other side of his jaw.
Stop it. Look at that.
It's not bad. Good little start for Gavin. They annihilated him. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a real good fish. That's a real good fish. That's a real good fish. Come on, buddy. Come on. Woo, woo! That's gotta be my biggest Clear Creek bass ever, dude. Got it?
Got it.
All right, guys, here we go. Get this fish out of here. Beautiful, beautiful, 17 3/4. He's almost 18 inches. That's nice. That is nice. I wish I could do an underwater on him, but I don't have my back camera, so here you guys go. There he goes. Woo! 18 incher, almost. Hey, oh, that's a good one, dude. Yeah, yeah, that's a good fish. I'll get the net for you.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's a good 16 inch at least. No, maybe not. Maybe he's just got a lot of fight. I don't know. Let me call him. Here we go. 16 and 8.
I ain't caught 16 in a while.
All right, I got plenty of pictures. That's a good fish, guys. All right. Bounce him on up out of here. I wonder if that's the one that blew up on the bridge on me yesterday.
Probably.
After seeing the one I had, dude. All right, guys, we are marching along. We have found some good fish in that last hole. Can't believe I almost caught an 18 incher there, guys. It's a beautiful smallmouth. It's getting dark on us. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna be able to film, but we're gonna keep marching on, and then we're probably going to have to walk this out in the dark. All right, guys, stay tuned.
fly, how short is life? I dreamt
Did you really?
we had
Did
more
you really?
than 20.
That's a good fish. He's about 14, 13.
I have seen this before, and I have lived more than plenty. Now lay me in the ocean. Wild lullabies, I've used my time. Now lay
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That is a good one.
sing my songs when I'm gone.
You just watch out. Here he comes. That's another good one.
I know
There we go, guys. That's good enough to measure right there. He's probably going to call one of my fish out.
if I'm ready.
I'll take one more.
All them skies know our names. When it's time, burn me steady. Then lay me in the ocean. Wide lullabies, I've used my time. Now lend me to the ocean. Sing my songs when I'm gone. Ashes rise, ashes rise. White noise in the night. Ashes rise, close your eyes. Lay me.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on the episode. We finished 7th. Congratulations to Beard Zero Fishing. They put on a spectacular show. You guys can look down in the bottom of the comments, or you guys can look down in the description, find a link to his video and everyone else that made a video on this challenge. We want to thank Mike from Reese Life Dad Life and Dad Life Adventures for holding this competition again. We really enjoy doing this every year. It's a time to get us to challenge ourselves a little more, put in a lot more effort. For some of these guys are using lures that they don't normally use. So this is just great all around. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for the support.